Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you the commands you can use on the Windows command line. First of all, press Windows and R to open a run window. Type CMD and run the command prompt as an administrator. It is important to have access to all drivers because they often cause problems. That's what this command does. It shows you even the drivers you won't find in the device manager. To change the current working directory to the specified directory, use the following command. Exit the specified directory. If you want to see more detailed information about your system you won't see in the GUI, this is the command for you. You can copy an item to the clipboard. For example, this command copies all the content of the present working directory to the clipboard. Next, list programs and the extensions they are associated with. Change the command prompt window title using the format. Show open ports, their IP addresses, and states. Show a website IP address, let you know how long it takes to transmit data and get a response. Change the text color of the command prompt. First, enter this command to see the colors you can change to. For example, entering color 2 to change the color of the terminal to green. Show information about PC IP addresses and connections. System File Checker. This command scans your computer for corrupt files and repairs them. Log on to a website from the command line. Show the tree of the current directory or specified drive. Show the version of the OS. Show open programs. Terminate a running task. Show and change the current date. Show and change the current time. Show the serial number and label info of the current drive. Create a folder. First, go to the directory where you want to create the new folder. Now, create a new folder by using the following command. Delete a folder. Move a file or folder to a specified folder. Rename a file or folder with the syntax. Close the command line. We just showed you several unknown to many commands you can use to get access to hidden functionalities on your Windows PC. Hopefully, this video will be useful for you.